Hello there everybody and welcome back to another Terraria Modding tutorial. In this episode we are going to be creating armor. Mainly creating helmet, body and boots. Now, as you know, armor has a defense value for each different thing, which adds up, which creates a total defense that you have. So for example, this mining gives a total of 3, the gladiator gives a total of 7, gold 16, etc, etc. You can also have bonus effects for it, such as the mining has a plus 30% mining speed, and the helmet emits light. Wood just gives +1 defense, etc, etc. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is create a new folder, and we're just going to call this armor. Now I am using the English spelling, the British spelling, not the American one, so please don't make any comments about it. And we're going to start with the helmet tutorial helmet. Now, as this is an item, you'll be doing the usual stuff with the item stuff. ModLoader using Terraria.it. So, public class tutorial helmet mod item. Now I'm going to leave a quick gap. Override set defaults. Just get rid of that. Oops, get rid of that as well. What you want to do first is a public override auto load. In here, you want to do equips.add equip type dot head. And then do return true, as this is a boolean. Now let's just create some quick stuff. Name equals tutorial helmet. That's spelled wrong. Item dot width equals 18. Item dot height equals 18. Item dot tooltip equals, this is the tutorial helmet. Item dot value equals, we'll just make it 1000. Item dot var equals 2. Item dot defense, we'll make it 10. The defense value for this piece of armor. Okay. Now what you want to do is do an is armor set. So public override is armor set. Then return body.type equals mod.item type, and then you're going to type in the 2 names for the classes we have yet to do. So tutorial breastplate and and legs.type equals mod.item type tutorial leggings, that's what they're called. So this will make it so it creates the armor for that. As we're currently not using this, I'm just going to comment this out, just so when I test it, it will show just the helmet and we won't get an error for it trying to find this. Let's quickly create a public override, add recipe, we'll create a quick recipe, mod recipe r equals new mod recipe mod r.add ingredient null tutorial bar, and we want 9 of those. I don't know how many it is per helmet. R.add tile ID dot anvils. I don't know whether I've covered anvils, can't remember, but anvils equals the iron, lead, mithril, etc. If you want to use the upgraded ones only, tile ID dot, I believe it comes under mithril anvil, and that includes whatever the other one is. R.set result this, R.add recipe. Done. Okay, there is a bit of code that I'm just trying to remember. Hang on. Is it that? Let's try this. I might be wrong here, but if we do public override update armor set player.set bonus equals, and actually we'll not do that just yet. Player.add buff, we're going to make it so with this helmet you're better at, let's say, archery. So buff ID dot archery, then time, set it to 300. So might work. Anyway, let's go over to here. In this you want to find the armor section, then the head section, and find one that you want to use. Let me just find a one we're going to copy here. We'll just copy the silver armor. 91. It doesn't actually say what the thing is, but this is probably around here somewhere. So that's head. We could probably open it like this and hopefully find it quickly. Well, it's not silver, but it will do. 42. So let's copy that over to tutorial mod, armor. This is tutorial helmet underscore head. Now the reason we do underscore is because this is the equipment piece that will be worn. We also have to get the item for it, which is different than that because I chose a different armor set. I apparently chose this armor, which I didn't. Let me just go back and sort this out. That was 42. There it is. Copy, paste. Tutorial helmet head. And I want to just find that. That is somewhere. Can't remember if this is hard mode armor or not. Because I cannot for the life of me find it. Is it hallowed? That's what it is, hallowed armor. So the ID for that is 553. No, it isn't. It's 558 because it's headgear I've chosen. So item underscore 558. Copy, paste, and this is tutorial helmet. Spelt wrong. Tutorial helmet. Now let's just quickly save and we'll boot up. Hopefully this won't take long. as I want to get the other stuff done as well. Terraria should load a bit quicker than this. Here we go. Hopefully everything will load properly. If not, it's going to be annoying. Okay, it looks like everything loaded properly, so let's just open A on A. And let me just... Wow, this is laggy. This is really laggy today. Let me just move over here somewhere. Let me just remove all this. And we want to just find the helmets. Let's go down to mod. Tutorial mod. Tutorial helmet. As you can see, it gives 10 defense. This is a tutorial helmet. As you can see, we're wearing the helmet. It's perfect. So let's just quickly settings, save and quit, and close out. Now I'm going to quickly create the other classes, which are exactly the same except to change this. So I will be right back. Okay, so we're back. I've created the 4 different, well, I've created the other 2 out of the 3. I've also changed this, so on the breastplate we've got head.type equals tutorial helmet and legs equals leggings. I've also removed that, and I've also done it on this. Now let's get the images for this. So let's first of all get the items. So that's 551 and 552, which are those. Copy, paste. So that's the tutorial leggings. This is tutorial breastplate. Okay, so now let's get the armor. We need the, we'll go leggings first because that's a lot easier. Legs, is it 42? Nope, it's different on this one as well. What does the hollowed look like? That, okay. Hey, we went way too far. Let's just jump all the way back. We might be earlier on. Yes, 23. Let's open that. 23. Copy, paste. Tutorial leggings underscore legs. Now then, the more annoying one. Armor, body. Hopefully it's also 23. Which it isn't. It's 24. Okay. Copy, paste. Tutorial breastplate underscore body. But we also have to do 2 more for this. And that is the arm, which is hopefully 23, 24. Yep, copy. Tutorial breastplate underscore arms. And there's also one more. Armor underscore. Okay, I cannot remember for the life of me what this comes under. Is it under F? Yes, it is. Female body 24. That is right, yep. And for this, you want to type in tutorial breastplate underscore female body. So with the breastplate, you need an arms, body, and a female version. The reason you need arms is I cannot for the life of me tell you, because I see arms on this. That said, I believe it only shows the shoulder. No, it actually shows the whole thing. But okay. For some reason, you need arms. Oh, I think it's the back arm. I believe it might be the back arm. I might be completely wrong there. Let's boot up this. Hopefully everything's working. Just quickly scroll through and check. Everything should be fine. Let's just close these because we no longer need them. Let everything load. Hopefully everything loads up properly. This can be very temperamental. Okay, good. Single player. A on A. Okay, so let's just type in tutorial. Here we have the legs and the body as well, so let's equip those. So now you can see I have this 5 seconds of archery. It didn't show it when it's not equipped, it actually goes down. Or we can equip it and it comes back. I believe there is actually a bit of code which works for creating a permanent effect. I'm just trying to see if I can find it. However, I cannot seem to find it. It might be under this. Aha, yes. Let's add a new bit of code on the breastplate. So we're going to add in public override void update equip. On this, you want to do player dot. Let's make archers immune to let's make them immune to fire equals true. Let's also increase their max mana by, let's do 40. Light burst plus equals 40. And that should do nicely. So now let's just show it with just the armor. We won't get the buff for archery, but we should be immune to fire. And also have the plus 40 mana. Let's have it load quickly. Let's open it up. If it'll go a bit quicker, that would be nice. Single player, A on A. I may need to unequip this here. Let's just take that off and that off, and we will equip just this. So as you can see, we don't have any of the buffs, but as you can see, our mana has increased. Let's quickly, not that, it's that, to reveal map. Quickly head down to here. I'm going to just turn on God mode until a certain enemy appears. Here they are. As you can see, I don't get the fire effect. So let's turn off this. As you can see, we now have fire. So we're not immune to fire. I'm immune to fire. So it's pretty simple. And that's how you create armor. Hopefully this has been a good video. If you've enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for what to do in the upcoming episodes, those would be highly appreciated. If you haven't seen, I now have a Patreon account. If you wish to support me, you can head over to Patreon. Links are in the description below. Other than that, thank you everyone for watching. Until next time, goodbye.